students, your next chapter is chapter 3, Gopal and Hilsa Fish. As you can see, this is a comic strip. To understand this chapter more, let's watch this video.
Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. It was the season for Hilsa fish. Fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. Fishmongers sold nothing but Hilsa fish.
Come, buy. The price of Hilsa's down today.
Householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. How much did you pay for that Hilsa?
You wouldn't believe it if I told you.
And in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish.
Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught. It was...
Stop it! Are you a courtier or a fisherman?
The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. The king felt guilty.
I'm sorry I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa fish. And no one, not even Gopal, can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish. Not even for 5 minutes.
Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty.
Then let me see you buy a huge Hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it.
I accept the challenge, Your Majesty.
A few days later, why is your face half shaven?
I am dressing up to buy a fish.
What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash?
I told you, I am dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish.
Listen to me. Please, you can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to?
How many times must I tell you, woman? I am out to buy a huge Hilsa fish.
It's happened to him. He's gone mad. Gopal bought the Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace.
Mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical?
He must be a madman. Hush! I think he's a mistake.
When Gopal reached the court,
What do you want?
I want to see the king.
You can't see the king. Get away with you.
Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. Inside the palace,
The man is crazy.
Throw him out at once.
I want to see the king. Let me in.
Bring that man to me at once.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Gopal was brought before the king.
It's Gopal.
The man has lost his mind.
I think it's one of his crazy jokes.
All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion?
Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something.
Forgotten something?
Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish.
Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal.
Well, Gopal, congratulations. You have achieved the impossible once again.
I hope after watching this video, you must have understood the story. Now I'll summarize the story for your better understanding. This comic strip is about Gopal and the Hilsa fish. It was the season for Hilsa fish and everyone had nothing else to talk about the fish. Even the courtiers of the kingdom had nothing else to discuss but about the Hilsa fish. This made the king angry. He stated that even Gopal cannot stop anyone from talking about the fish. Gopal, he is the wisest courtier of the king's palace. Gopal accepted the king's challenge to bring the fish to his palace without anyone asking him about the fish. Gopal then went home to get ready to achieve his goal. He smeared ash on his face and became half shaven. His wife kept asking him the reason. He said that he is getting ready to buy the fish. His wife got annoyed with all this and thought he has gone mad. Gopal then went to buy the fish. On his way back to the palace, everyone was looking at him, making fun of him and commenting, but no one asked him about the hilsa fish he was carrying. When he reached the palace, the guards refused him to enter the palace. The guards did not allow him to enter the palace because of his appearance. To grab the attention of the king, he started to dance and sing in front of the palace. He was then summoned by the king and asked the reason behind his ridiculous appearance. Gopal explained that he dressed up in this way just to distract the attention of the people from hilsa fish. In this way, he was able to win the challenge given by the king.